everyone, it's Courtney, and right here is Tyler's 2020 Ram 2500 that we actually have featured here in our booth at the Lone Star Throwdown. Tyler, why don't you tell us a little bit about your setup?
Yeah, so my goal with this truck is to be as big as possible but still drive every day. Just be an everyday truck to and from work, to the ranch, to be able to tow my four-wheelers, just something simple, clean, but still big. So I called BDS, we did an 8-inch coilover kit. I talked to BDS how I really like the look of coilovers, so we did an 8-inch coilover on 38, 15, 50, 24 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss, and then some 2412 TIS, and I had those done in all gloss black. Besides that, it's got a Retrax bed cover, some kicker audio in the truck, but it's a perfect everyday driving truck, and that was my goal, is to be able to drive it every single day.
Absolutely, it looks great. We've had a lot of compliments on it just throughout the show. Everyone wants to say, where is that kit? We want to see it, right? It's coming. We're really excited to release this one out on the market as soon as possible. So with so many different lift options out on the market, why did you choose BDS?
Yeah, so the main reason I went with BDS is, it's a funny story. So when I was 16, my dad's first big truck was a BDS 6-inch on an F-150. And I just remember thinking that was the perfect truck. And so I would borrow it on the weekends. I wasn't allowed to drive it every day. But BDS has kind of been around since I was in high school and before that. And they've always been kind of one of the top premier bolt-on kits. And so first person I called when I was going to do an 8-inch on this was BDS.
That's perfect. That's awesome. You know, that's what we want to hear, and that's, you know, it's like a legacy thing at this point. You know, it's been passed down through the generations. Yeah. So, all right. So moving forward, what do you have planned next for this truck?
So right now it's to do bumpers on it. So I have some Showtime Metalworks bumpers in the works for it, front and rear. Besides that, like I said, I've really enjoyed it being a daily driver, and that's kind of been my goal. So nothing too crazy. So right now, just some bumpers, the Baja Design lights. That's really all that's in the works right now.
This is a really awesome truck. If you guys want to stay tuned to everything that we've got going on in BDS, and when we release this kit out onto the market, stay tuned to our social media pages.